Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice healthier. Start by choosing whole grain varieties and rinsing rice until water runs clear. Use a 1:1, 5 water ratio for most brown rice and avoid overcooking to preserve texture. Add fiber by mixing in barley, quinoa, or lentils and stir gently. Flavor with herbs, citrus zest, or a splash of low-sodium broth to keep things bright and satisfying. Gently adjusting how you cook rice can make a big difference in health and texture. Try soaking brown rice before cooking to shorten time and improve digestibility. Use a tight-fitting lid and let rice rest off the heat for about 10 minutes to finish steaming evenly. Cooling rice quickly in the fridge increases resistant starch, which helps blood sugar control and feeds beneficial bacteria, making your rice friendlier to digestion. Boost nutrition by turning rice into a complete meal with smart add-ins. Toss in colorful vegetables for fiber and vitamins, and fold in legumes or lean protein to make the dish filling. A small drizzle of olive oil or a few slices of avocado adds healthy fats that improve absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Season with fresh herbs, citrus, or low-sodium sauces to keep flavor lively without excess salt or sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.